Okay, hi guys, well, what's up, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the part 2 of Nykaa pink hot pink Friday sale. So yeah, this is the part 2 and I'm going to unbox all of these. And yeah, the video was getting long, so I thought of making 2 parts. So if you are new to this channel, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love drugstore makeup, affordable makeup. So if that's interests you, please consider subscribing. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So excuse my lashes, this is the first time I've applied lashes. I'm not that good at it, so please excuse them. Let's just focus on unboxing these. So yeah, so I must say I was not that happy with this year Nykaa Pink Friday sale, but it's good for my wallet. I didn't get that much stuff. So yeah, if Nykaa will not have that great sales, I will not buy that much. And all the good things which I wanted were like flying. They were getting out of stock quickly. I was not able to make decisions, so my wallet is safe. So I'm going to unbox this. I have no idea kisme kya hai, but I know what all the stuff I got. So this is the first one. Okay. So I got a bunch of stuff from Swiss Beauty, and Swiss Beauty was also on good discount, but whatever I wanted was flying like, and I already have 2 of their concealer. So yeah, and whatever I was liking was quickly getting out of stock. So this is the lip liner. I have purchased a lot of lip liner these days. I'm loving applying lip liner, so I have a bunch of lip liner. And we have this lash. So this one was 70-60 rupees. I will mention everything. So this is the lash. Wow, this is pretty. See, yeah, I'm learning how to apply lash. As you can see, I didn't I don't know, it's not looking that cute. I don't know, it's looking not that great. I don't know, what do you guys think? Did I apply it correctly? I don't know. So this is again lashes, and these are really dramatic. And drama, okay, that's why these are so dramatic. It says drama, it literally says drama. Okay, okay, I like it. So yeah, that's that. It was like 70 rupees or something. Okay, this lip liner is sealed. I want to open it, and this is the shade Choco Nude. Now I want to open it so badly. Choco Nude. So yeah, oh my god, this is, it's a thin plastic sheet, and it's really difficult to open it. And these were really inexpensive. Swiss Beauty liner was like 30 rupees, no, 39 rupees. Oh my god, these were so inexpensive. So I was like, let's just get them. And these days I'm applying so much of lip liners, so, and I love applying lip liners these days. So yeah, finally success. So this is the shade Choco Nude. Okay, so I'm going to swatch Choco. Wow, look at that. So beautiful, beautiful brown lip liner. So if you were searching for a brown nude, so pretty, and it's a pinky brownie nude, so pretty. Wow. And I already love this formula, it's so good. And I don't know why K Beauty and Nykaa's lip liners are that expensive. I prefer these are really inexpensive, like 30 rupees or something, and they are so good. So yeah, now I'm going to unbox this. So yeah, rest all our lip liners also, I think so. Are you kidding me? Yeah, so okay, so this one is also Swiss Beauty. These ones are also Swiss Beauty. I think there was a price difference. I think this one was 60-40 rupees, or these one, I will definitely mention the price. So this is the shade. Here is the shade Cherry Brown. So this is another brown lip liner. Okay, so this is a little bit, yeah, on cherry side. You can see it's a reddish brown, and it is really pretty. I like it. And as you can see, there is a size different, packaging difference, and a price difference. I think these one was 30 something and this one was 50 rupees or something. I will definitely mention the price. And this one is Bobbi Brown. Wow. So this is the Bobbi Brown. Honestly, so far I like the Bobbi Brown one. All of them are cute, but this Bobbi Brown one is really pretty. It's a proper brown nude. It's a proper brown nude. This is pink, this is more reddish, and this one is proper brown nude. So I think I like this one more. And I'm going to do a lip liner swatches or something. And you know, on brown complexion, brown lip liners really suit us. You know, if you think lipstick, you know, no, nude lipstick don't look that cute on you, try lip liner. I have the shade Cotton Pink. I have that lip liner. That is also of, no, that is of Miss Claire, I think. Yeah, so I will definitely make lip liner swatches, that's why. And I love them, I use them. So yeah, so this is the Garnier Masala Water. And I bought this one. As you can see, I am, you know, running out of masala water, like water. So I, instead of buying like little small bottles, I decided to buy this bigger one. This will you know, be sufficient for 6 months, I guess, or maybe more than 6 months. And you know, I often show many short videos as well, and I have to constantly remove some swatches as well. So this will be really helpful. And plus, if you have dry skin, oil infused one are better. I have tried without oil ones, they were not good. I think if you have dry skin, you should try this oil infused one. I have the Blue Heaven one, that is like Chinnosa, and it gets over so quickly. So this time I thought I will buy the bigger bottle and I will be sorted for, you know, months. And yeah, these are the next set of lip liner, and these are by Miss Claire, and I already love this. So as you can see, I already love this one. This one is Cotton Pink. Today I'll always apply these. So if you think you know, nude lipstick washes you, try lip liners, they are savior. And so now I'm going to swatch these. Why they are looking same, like packaging mein they are looking same. I hope I didn't order the same thing. I really hope so. Why they are looking same? Maybe their outer packaging is same. Yeah, so this is Bobbi Brown by Miss Claire. This is the different, okay, that is different, this is different, and this is Coffee Brown, and this is Mocha. These are different, thank God, but they look so same. I don't know why they look so similar. They are also having this plastic film. I don't know why they apply this. Okay, so I'm going to swatch these. Also, the first one is Mocha. Ooh, it is perfect brown. As you can see, this is pink, this is red, mix brown, and this is proper brown. Now this is a very proper brown. Okay, I think I suck at explaining shades, I think so. Okay, so next I am swatching Coffee Brown, and as you can see, it's a proper coffee shade. It's like these two are so close, so I think they are close, that's why the packaging is also similar. Let's just swatch this. Ooh, so this is Bobbi Brown. Oh my God. Okay. So these are all the lip liner, and I use them daily. So, and these were like 40 rupees, or I guess I have to check the you know, discount price. But as you can see, that's what I was talking about, Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So in ELF I wanted to buy their lipstick and lip gloss, but the shades were out of stock. Then I thought like, let's just buy, which I was anyways about to buy, like more brown lip liners. Like I don't have proper I was not having that proper brown lip liner. Now I already have so many lipsticks. So in that terms, I think I did good, and I bought something which is my necessity. So this is going to be really handy. And yeah, so all in all, I'm really happy with this sale. And also I'm like, I don't know, like this sale this year, I don't know, I think they are becoming more greedier and greedier. They are not giving that much discount. That's what I like. Why there was not buy one get one on Too Faced? It's not that I'm going to buy it, but you can. So Yeah, I think on high end it should be buy one get one, and this is already affordable stuff. Elf is already affordable. Okay, you gave buy one get one, but still I think this year the sale was not that good. Deepti Desikan was also mentioning this, so yeah, I also think that this year's sale was not that good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this Nykaa Hot Pink Friday sale haul. And do let me know in the comments section, do you guys also think this year the sale discount was not that much, and any reason? Do you think like Nykaa is now already 1 trillion, they don't need more customers, or I don't know what is the deal with Nykaa. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.